Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Edge. Stock number is A7467. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top, you do have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. You also have a power assist liftgate, so it's simply a press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.